Find the Thevenin equivalent at terminals A, B of the circuit in figure. We have to find Thevenin equivalent of this circuit. Solution. First we will redraw the circuit. Now first we will find RTH. So to find RTH, we will consider, to find RTH, we will assume a 1 volt voltage source here. This is terminal A, this is terminal B. And let's say this is 1 volt voltage source, this is positive and this is negative. This is 1 volt. This will be short circuited to find RTH. Now this is a dependent source, that's why we have considered this 1 volt voltage source to find RTH. Now RTH is equal to voltage, which is 1 volt, divided by current. Now we have to find this current. Let's say this current is IO. So IO, 1 by IO is equal to RTH. Now we have to find this IO. Now let's assume this is node VO or VA. This is ground node with 0 voltage. This is current. Let's say this is current I1 and this is current I2. Now we will apply KCL at node VA. So summation of all the entering current is IO, and leaving current at this node is I1 plus I2. Now IO is 1 minus VA, or directly we can write IO is equal to, we will write IO as it is. Then I1 is VA minus 0 by 10 kilo ohm. VA minus 0 by 10 kilo ohm, that is 10,000, plus I2. Now I2 is VA minus 4VO, divided by 20 kilo ohm. So 20,000. Now this will be VA divided by 10,000 plus VA divided by 20,000 minus 4 by 2,000, 20,000 into this VO. Now this VO is 10,000 minus 10,000, because the polarity is opposite, so minus 10,000 into I1, minus 10,000 into I1, and I1 is VA minus 0 by 10,000. Or directly we can write VO is equal to minus VA. From the polarity we can write VO is equal to minus VA. So this will be directly minus VA. Now this will be 1 by 10,000, 1 divided by 10,000, then plus 1 divided by 20,000, Then this will be minus minus plus. So plus 4 divided by 20,000. So this is 7 divided by 20,000 VA. This is the value of IO. Now VA is equal to directly we can say that VA is equal to 1 volt because it is connected to ground. So this will be IO is equal to 7 by 20,000 into 1 is equal to 3.5 into 10 raised to minus 4 ampere is the value of IO. Now from this we can find the value of RTH. RTH is equal to 1 by IO. RTH is equal to 1 by IO. So this will be 1 by 2857.14 ohm is the value of RTH, or RTH is equal to 2.857 kilo ohm. This is the value of RTH. Next we have to find VTH. So to find VTH, this will be VTH. Now to find VTH, we will apply, let's say this is current I1 and this is current I2 and this is node VTH. This is ground. Now we will apply KCL. Apply KCL at node VTH. So this will be summation of all the entering current. I1 is equal to summation of all the leaving current. So I2. I1 is equal to I2. Now I1 is 70 minus VTH by 10 kilo ohm. 70 minus VTH by 10 kilo ohm is equal to I2. I2 is VTH minus 4VO. VTH minus 4VO divided by 20 kilo ohm. 20 kilo ohm. So this will be 70 by 10,000. This is 10,000 minus VTH by 10,000. Then minus VTH by 20,000. Then this will be plus 4 by 20,000 into VO. Now in place of VO we can write this VO is equal to 70 minus VTH. VO is equal to 70 minus VTH. So 70 minus VTH is equal to 0. Now this will be 70 by 10,000. So this will be 7 by 1,000. Minus VTH by, or directly we will solve this. So this will be minus 1 by minus 1 by 10,000, minus 1 by 10,000, then minus 1 by 20,000, minus 1 by 20,000, so minus 3 by 20,000, minus 3 by 20,000 VTH plus 4 into 70, 4 into 70 by 20,000. So 4 into 70 divided by 20,000. 7 by 500. 7 by 500. Then minus 4 by 20,000. 4 by 20,000 into VTH is equal to 0. Then this will be 7 by 1000. 7 divided by 1000. Then plus 7 divided by 500. So this will be 0.021. 0.021. Then this will be minus 3 by 20,000. Then minus 4 by 20,000. So this will be minus 3.5. Minus 3.5 into 10 raised to the power minus 4 VTH is equal to 0. Now this will be 0.021 is equal to 3.5 into 10 raised to the power minus 4 VTH. From this VTH is equal to 0.021 divided by 3.5 into 10 raised to the power minus 4. So this will be 0.021 divided by 3.5 into 10 raised to the power minus 4. So this is 60 volt. Therefore VTH is equal to 60 volt and RTH is equal to 2.857 kilo ohm. What we have to find? We have to find Thevenin equivalent at terminals A, B of the circuit. So Thevenin equivalent will be Thevenin resistor in series with Thevenin's voltage. This is Thevenin voltage VTH. This is VTH which is equal to 60 volt, and this is RTH which is equal to 2.857 kilo ohm. 2.857 kilo ohm. This is terminal A and B. This will be terminal A and this will be terminal B. For electrical and electronics engineering related questions and answers, visit the link in the description below.